discuss what is the data transformations and importance of the data transformations. Data transformations, also known as the ETL, that is the extract, transfer and load, is the process of converting a raw data source into the clean and validate and ready to use form. It can turn the data into the timely insight that positively impact the business. Appropriately transferred data is the accessible, consistent, secure and seen as the trustworthy, secure by the intended user of the community. Data transformation is an important step to full web data integration process. So in short, what is the data transformations? This is no meaning to big data without structure, but effectively and quickly the unstructured data is converted to the structured form. The big data transfers to smart data. Okay, means the conversion process is called is the data transformations. The unstructured data, when mixed with the behavior informations as well as the secure data, it provides rich insight. Smart data for business is used to understand the world perfectly. Okay, so smart data means data transformation means it is the process of convergence the raw data into the smart data, so that data is useful for the business. Okay, so there are the important points to be considered while transferring the big data. When this process is applicable for conversions the raw data into the smart data, the predefined process is there, and that one process is this one. This parameters to be considered while transferring the big data. So what is the important rules of this points? First one is the searching the right data. What is mean by the searching the right data? When we already know that there is a huge amount of social data in the form of the social media like the Twitter, tweets, Facebook posts, blogs, forums, as well as various other types of the data. So in the first step, certain topics should be searched in any search engine which gives a long list of URL, or the post which is not in the defined order. So eventually there is necessary to find the right data with the help of appropriate, because this data is randomly available on your resources. So we have to search the proper data, that is the required data from this random data. So next one parameter is filtering the informations. After we getting the data from search, we have to filter this data, means discard the unwanted data. Filtering process is nothing but a discard the unwanted data. In this second stage, filters of the different types can be added. The basic filters is the time frame. Suppose consider we want the informations of result regarding the previous years. Then the informations can be filtered depending upon the media channels such as the Facebook, Twitter, YouTube video or other blogs post. So multidimensional companies search for post organizations as well as the language in which is written. So some more filters can be added to transfer disordered big data to manageable smart data. And the multiple filters are used to retrieve the fair data regarding exactly when and where the particular topic is coming from. In this phase, there are the large number of insights which can be collected, but there is needs to dig the deep on into the data set or get the extra data. Filtering, using this filtering informations, we get the extracted process. Extracted means extract the useful data. Third one is the right skills. Right skills is a very important. Why? Because there is a needs of right skills in a data analysis to ensure that the data received is right data. Skills regarding the market search with the additional analytical skills are required for the data analysis. Okay, so these skills are used to understand and analysis huge data tasks. So fourth one is the right tools. Right tools, why it is an important right tools? Because without right tools we cannot easily get the proper data. So in better decisions making, The data which is combined with the other data is useful. Sources data which is merged with other data gives the enormous advantages. Combining the powerful data with the help of various cutting edge tools gives more perfect view of behavior regarding the customer. So better tools and advanced technologies available for analysis to handle the large data set. Transferring big data into smart data benefits in searching keys inside regarding the business and make the decisions depending upon the more relevant data. Okay, so next one is the intelligent amalgamations. So intelligent amalgamation is nothing but the customer satisfactions. In the process of converting big data to the smart data, it is very important to understand the customer behavior. The satisfactions of customers can be achieved only when the demand of the consumer are understood, otherwise it is difficult to make the big data as a smart data. And intelligence amalgamations helps to combine the customer's behavior with the data analytics so as to avoid the needless risk. With the help of intelligent amalgamations, it is possible to determine and target deep customer segmentations. It helps in getting new customers as well as rating the values of existing customers. This gives the experience with the help of ensuring the big data of sources. Next one point is the analysis, analyzing the informations, filtering the informations with analysis to generate set the manageable data. With the help of marketing analytics, it is possible to measure and analyze the performance as well as the effectiveness of market improvement. Okay, so with this analyzing major facts analyzing, with the help of advanced analytics, it is easy for the professionals to observe the key association with the certain brands. They can also become the witness of certain posts on Twitter and Facebook which have most effective impact on the behavior brands with effect many positive and negative. Last one is nothing but the right strategy. The process of regarding the research and filter analysis, huge amount of big data gives rich sources of actionable insight for various organizations. At various levels regarding filtering and analyzing, we can get the key insight on the multiple subjects from various posts, but as we go further the data becomes more and more start. So these are the parameters when we considered we transfer the raw data from raw data into the smart data, extraction, that is the ETL, extractions, then transformations, and after the transformation it is loaded into the useful informations. So through this phase we have to, our data is transferred step by step, and at the last steps we get the smart data or useful data. So organizations can use a smart data to build a healthy relationship with the customer, and it is a centralized, clean as well as the context based regarding customer insights as well as the behavior. This data can also be used to promote trust between the customers and organizations, which ultimately leads to improve the customer experience. So these are the major three phases, that is the extractions, transformations and load. These three steps are cover these 7 points for this. Okay, so these are the major things regarding this data transformations method.